Menteri badi pej yakatna sambam ka sarkar merklea habakran hejlang kablolong ha State Convention Center ba introduce the car long ba Hapoh jong National Food Security Act man briew ha gane jylla merklea udon ya ka hok ban yo yau khaw ban bam ha ka por ba biang ka badai ban yo man banai klem kano ka jingthun kane kam dei ka ba sarkar kale isnei Henry kadai ka hok jong pai ba nong snong Menteri long ba kadai ka banta ban ais pai ba ya ka ba kadai ban yo long ba dai ka jing tha ka sarkar pedeng ba ka ying bishar ba khlido jong India ban penyeso ya ka IKYC ya ka ba latip pai ba ha ka ne ka la me khla ka jing penyeso ka ba dona hadu kata Menteri long ba ka jing penakam ya ka ipos kam dai tang man penakam ya ki kor ki bor jong ka juk menta Henry ka ba konsan kalong banwan ra ya ka jing trei kam ka ba khoj bat ka baranti ya ka ne jyalang la plong dak tna sambam ka jylla ha ka jindalang ki officer na ka ne ka tna bat ka phang deng kalong ba kumno ban poi ya ki marbam sha ki pai ba.
As we are aware that under the National Food Security Act, every eligible person in Meghalaya, he has the right to receive food grains on time and every month without any hurdles. And that is not the favor that the government is doing. It's not only the favor that the government is doing, but that is the right of every citizen of our country and the citizen of our state. And it is also the responsibility of each and every one of us to deliver the right of the people of our society. So, and I will not take much time because we will be having lots of presentation, and we will be discussing lots of many things. And our Principal Secretary has already briefed you what are the difficulties that we are facing as the state and what are the difficulties we are facing as the department. So I would again insist on each and every one of you, and again I would like to reiterate that our nation, the highest institution, the Supreme Court and the central government has already given us a guideline, has already given us the timeline that we need to fulfill those requirements, to the Aadhaar seeding, the EKYC linking, and we are well behind the schedule, and we are well behind the target that the government of India is giving, and behind the target that the Supreme Court is giving the timeline to each and every state. So again, I would request to each and every one of us to put this on a serious note and let us deliver. So I would like to say that maybe from today, let us say that EPOS be our default and our discipline. When we record every transaction through EPOS, and we are not just using technology, we are ensuring honesty, fairness, and transparency. EKYC, to many of us, it sounds like a very technical term, but it's about dignity. It ensures that no one else can take away what belongs to a poor family. It must be done for every beneficiary and repeated every 5 years. For children, Aadhaar must be captured at the age of 5 and their EKYC completed within 1 year.